Welcome. If you want to change icon style in your Samsung Galaxy A40, let's go for the settings. Right now, scroll down and click on the developer options. Scroll down again. And at the bottom we got the icon shape. So let's click on it. And maybe we can change it for the circle. And just to show you how to enter the developer options, because in some cases it might be just disabled and right here you cannot find it. So you have to enter the about phone, then you have to click on the, it was probably on the status, no, it was on the software information, and probably on the kernel version, yeah, on the build number. So you have to click a few times, and right now the developer mode has been enabled. And when you go back and try to enter, here you got the developer options. So when you scroll down again, at the bottom we'll find the icon shape. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.